Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to link two separate databases within Notion. Starting with my initial table, I'll label it First Database. Next, I am going to set up a second one by adding a heading titled Second Database and generating an inline database right below it. For this new table, I will include a few entries such as Take out bins and Get your work done. I'll rename the primary column to Task Name so it fits the content, and then I'll insert a new property for the due date to select specific dates for these items. Now, let's link them together. Go to your first database, add a new property, and choose the Relation option. You need to find your second database in the search bar to establish the link. If it doesn't appear immediately, which happens occasionally with Notion's interface, simply refresh your page. Once reloaded, add the Relation property again and search for Second Database. After selecting it, you can configure the settings. I will set this to have no limit and enable a two-way relation so they sync both ways. Name the corresponding property First Database, and then hit the Add Relation button. You can now see that both databases are successfully connected. This allows you to pull properties from the first database into the second and vice versa. For instance, you can now easily assign specific tasks from this database to individuals listed in the other. It is a very straightforward process. Thanks for following along. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.